Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey, and just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. So welcome back to the next part of this video. Crypto enthusiasts, our project of today will be one of the most innovative projects in the cryptocurrencies world. It's called Bicepscoin. So as you see, this is the website, including all what you want. So now you might be wondering, what is the deal with Bicepscoin? Well, let me introduce it to you in the next steps of this video. So as you see, this is the website, the contract of this project. Welcome to the Biceps, the easiest Bitcoin miner. They said that first, buy minimum this amount, hold and get extra Bitcoins from every buy and sell. So it's simple as that. The larger the trading volume on DEX, the more Bitcoin in your wallet arrives, without expensive rigs, without affecting the environment. Passively mine BTC, burn and grow with Biceps. So let's talk also about the tokenomics. Bicepscoin is not your average crypto project. With a total supply fully pooled and nothing left for the team, that's right. They've got skin in the game just like you and me. Plus, they announced the contracts and locked the liquidity, making 100% decentralized. What is your power here? It's right. They're in your wallet, where it belongs to you. So this is the economics liquidity pool, as we said. 100% in PancakeSwap, ownership renounced, liquidity locked, total tax. This is the percentage to buy, the sell is 0, 2.7 tax in converted BTC and sent to Biceps, 0.8 tax buyback, development and marketing, auto burn of 1.4 tax in added automatically to the liquidity pool, and Biceps token goes to a burn wallet forever. So this is the tokenomic on details. Name is Biceps, symbol is like that. The network here is Binance Smart Chain. As you see here, this is the chart of this project. Decimal 18. You can check also the contract. All the things are here in the website. And there is more. Bicepscoin isn't just about serious stuff. It's also fun, engaging, and easy for any type of marketing. From meme contest to TikTok campaign, they're all about bringing the community together and spreading positive vibes. And also the tokenomics are solid, with a burn mechanism and reward distributed to holders with every buy and sell. So you are not just holding a token, you're building your Bitcoin stash passively. So let's check now the roadmap. As you see, there is like 3 phases. From the phase of PancakeSwap, launch, building socials, liquidity lock, contract announcing, TikTok, MRK, non-stop partnerships. So we are now in the first one, and after that they will go to the phase number 2 and number 3 after that. And as we said, 100% supply pooled, nothing extra left for the team. Already the contractor announced it. Liquidity locked 100%, and you can check the Twitter of this project is verified. You can check all the infos from here, the Telegram also. You will find the links in the bio, and also the Binance Smart Chain of this Biceps token. And this project is featured on Coinbase, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Crypto.com, CoinLive, and all the monsters of cryptocurrencies world. So what are you waiting for? Join the Bicepscoin community and let's spam together those gains. Don't forget to smash like button, subscribe to this channel, comment to this video, and see you in the next videos in this channel. Thank you for your trust and goodbye.